In today's fast-paced world, the concept of passive income has gained significant popularity. People are increasingly seeking ways to generate income that doesn't require constant time and effort, allowing them to enjoy financial freedom and flexibility. This introductory section will provide an overview of how to start making passive income from scratch, even with no initial capital. The allure of passive income lies in its numerous advantages. Firstly, it provides a means to diversify your income sources, reducing reliance on a single paycheck. This diversification enhances financial stability and security. Secondly, passive income offers the potential for financial independence and the freedom to pursue your passions and interests. By generating income without constant active involvement, you can have more time for family, hobbies, travel, or personal development. So let's jump right in and discover the strategies and steps to kickstart your passive income journey. Assessing your skills and interests. Before diving into the realm of passive income, it is essential to take stock of your skills, knowledge, and interests. Assessing these aspects will help you identify potential income streams that align with your strengths and passions. This section outlines the key steps to evaluate your skills and interests effectively. A. Identifying your strengths and passions. Reflect on your skills. Take inventory of the skills and expertise you possess. Consider both hard skills, technical abilities, and soft skills, interpersonal and communication skills. Determine your passions. Reflect on your interests and hobbies. Identify the activities or subjects that energize and engage you. B. Researching market demand and trends. Identify market gaps. Research industries or niches where there is a demand but limited competition. Look for areas where your skills and passions intersect with market opportunities. Analyze market trends. Stay updated with market trends and emerging industries. Explore sectors that show potential for growth and sustained demand. C. Evaluating potential income streams. Brainstorm income ideas. Based on your skills, passions, and market research, brainstorm potential income streams that can be developed passively. Consider options such as writing ebooks, creating online courses, rental properties, affiliate marketing, or investing in dividend stocks. Assess income potential. Research and estimate the income potential of each idea. Consider factors such as market demand, competition, scalability, and potential return on investment. By assessing your skills and interests, researching market demand and trends, and evaluating potential income streams, you can identify opportunities that align with your strengths and passions. This self-reflection and analysis will set a strong foundation for selecting the most viable and rewarding passive income avenues to pursue. Developing a passive income mindset. Building a successful passive income requires a specific mindset that sets you up for long-term success. Developing the right mindset will help you stay motivated, persevere through challenges, and seize opportunities. This section explores key elements in cultivating a passive income mindset. A. Understanding the value of time and effort. Embrace delayed gratification. Recognize that building passive income takes time and effort up front, but the rewards come in the future. Be willing to invest your time and energy into creating sustainable income streams. Value your time as a limited resource. Understand that time is a valuable asset. Focus on activities that yield long-term results and prioritize tasks that contribute to your passive income goals. B. Embracing a long-term perspective. Set realistic expectations. Acknowledge that generating significant passive income takes time and consistent effort. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on building sustainable income streams. Patience and persistence. Embrace the journey as a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed and persistent, even when results may not be immediate. Trust the process and keep learning and growing. Generating ideas for passive income. Once you have developed a passive income mindset and assessed your skills and interests, it's time to explore potential income-generating ideas. This section provides a range of ideas and avenues to consider when seeking to build passive income streams. A. Rental income opportunities. Real estate rentals. Explore the possibility of investing in rental properties, such as residential or commercial units. This can generate regular passive income through rental payments. Vacation rentals. Consider renting out a spare room, apartment, or vacation property on platforms like Airbnb to earn income from short-term rentals. B. Online business ventures. E-commerce. Start an online store selling products or utilizing dropshipping methods where you handle sales without holding inventory. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links on your website, blog or social media platforms, earning a commission on each sale. Online courses. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, stock photos, or music. C. Investments and dividend income. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, allowing you to earn regular income through dividends distributed by the company. Peer-to-peer lending. Participate in lending platforms where you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your investment. Bonds and mutual funds. Consider investing in bonds or mutual funds that offer regular interest or dividend payments. These ideas are just a starting point. The key is to find income streams that align with your skills, interests, and resources. Research each option thoroughly, assess the potential income, associated risks, and your level of involvement required. Consider diversifying your passive income streams to maximize your earnings and mitigate risks. As you explore these ideas, remember to adapt and tailor them to your unique circumstances and goals, starting with no money. Starting your passive income journey without any initial capital may seem challenging, but it's not impossible. This section explores strategies and approaches to kickstart your passive income endeavors, even if you have limited or no funds available. A. Utilizing existing skills and resources. Freelancing. Leverage your skills and offer freelance services in your area of expertise. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients seeking various services, such as writing, graphic design or programming. Renting out assets. If you have possessions you don't frequently use, consider renting them out. This could include equipment, tools, or even a spare room or parking space. B. Leveraging free or low-cost platforms. Content creation. Start a blog or YouTube channel to share valuable content related to your interests or expertise. With time and consistent effort, you can monetize these platforms through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Social media presence. Build a strong social media presence on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Engage with your audience, provide valuable content, and collaborate with brands or businesses for sponsored posts or partnerships. C. Seeking partnerships or collaborations. Joint ventures. Collaborate with others who have complementary skills or resources. Pool your efforts and share the profits from a joint venture or project. Affiliate partnerships. Partner with businesses as an affiliate marketer, promoting their products or services in exchange for a commission on sales generated through your referrals. D. Taking advantage of crowdfunding or grants. Crowdfunding campaigns. Launch a crowdfunding campaign on platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo to fund your passive income project. Offer incentives or rewards to backers in exchange for their support. Grants or competitions. Research grants or competitions that provide funding for innovative ideas or entrepreneurial projects. Many organizations and institutions offer financial support to promising ventures. Remember, starting with no money requires resourcefulness, creativity, and persistence. Be prepared to invest your time, effort, and energy to build your passive income streams gradually. As your income grows, reinvest the profits to expand your ventures and diversify your income sources. Over time, your passive income streams can become more substantial, enabling you to achieve financial independence and stability. Managing and scaling your passive income. Managing and scaling your passive income streams is essential to ensure long-term sustainability and growth. This section covers key strategies and considerations for effectively managing your passive income and scaling it to higher levels. A. Efficient time and resource management. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that contribute the most to your passive income streams. Delegate or eliminate tasks that don't generate significant returns. Automate and streamline. Leverage technology and automation tools to streamline processes, reduce manual work, and maximize efficiency. Outsource when necessary. Consider outsourcing certain tasks or hiring virtual assistants to handle administrative or repetitive work, allowing you to focus on income-generating activities. B. Diversifying income streams. Expand existing streams. Explore opportunities to grow your current passive income streams. This may involve creating additional products, expanding target markets, or developing complementary services. Explore new avenues. Continuously seek out new income streams that align with your skills, interests, and market demand. Stay open to emerging trends and opportunities. C. Reinvesting and compounding. Reinvest profits. Allocate a portion of your passive income back into your ventures. This could involve scaling advertising efforts, improving product quality, or expanding marketing reach. Compound returns. Instead of solely relying on the income generated, reinvest earnings into income-generating assets or investments that can compound over time, such as dividend reinvestment plans or real estate acquisitions. And there you have it, our guide on how to start making passive income from $0. Remember, it all begins with the right mindset, assessing your skills and interests, and taking action. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Building passive income takes time and dedication. Keep learning, stay persistent, and adapt your strategies along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth creation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.